Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see Azure Static Web Apps. So this is a new feature which is still in a preview, and through which you can publish a website to a production environment by building apps from a GitHub repository. So in this video we will deploy a web application to Azure Static Web Apps using the Azure portal. The prerequisite would be that you should have a GitHub account and you should have an Azure account. So first let me log on to the portal and take it from there. So I am logged on to the portal, and if you would click on create a resource and you would static web app preview and you click on create here, right? So it will ask you to create a new resource group. RSG, you enter the name here. And region, you would only be able to select the region which is available in drop down. It is not available in all the regions as of now. I select US East 2. Now it will ask you to sign in with the GitHub account, right? So you would have to authorize your GitHub account here so it can list down the organization and the corresponding repositories under here. So I'm going to log on to GitHub here. So I'm going to log on to GitHub here, and I am going to create a new repo, right? You can name it my first static web app. You name it. You can set it to public or private, these options. So I'm creating a repo here. Okay, now if you go back to Azure portal, and you will have to refresh it so that it can pick up the latest repo that you have created. I have to create it again. Okay, web is to sign in with GitHub. I authorize v-to Azure. This is the repo that I created. Branch, you can create the master branch. So you can import the code from other repository as well. So I can import the code from another GitHub repository onto this repo, like I want to have the sample code here as well. You can click on here, you can create branch here. So no available items, you can click on next. Okay, so I would have to go to GitHub here. Wait a sec. Okay, now we see master here, and in the build presets option, if you will, you can select custom, and you can keep the default values in the application box, clear the default value from the application from here, app artifact location box empty, right? So I will click on tags, create. It is validating. Okay, I'm going to click on create here. It's initializing the deployment. It's submitting the deployment. Deployment is in progress. Let me wait and pause it and come back after it is done. Okay, the deployment is complete. I'm going to click on go to resource. And this is my URL because this has been picked up by, if you click on here, so this is the app that was configured when you visit the website, right? Sorry, when you configured the static web app. Now if you want to delete it, you can click on delete here, and then you can delete the resource group as well. So this is how you deploy the static web app. And if you want to explore more of, you can add an API, you can configure the app settings. So this is all for this video, but we would add an API to this static web app. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.